This webinar is designed for the integration of Avigilon unit in PLC IPLOG-GAMA. Now I will show you where to download the necessary files. You can find everything you need on the website www.metel.eu. To configure metal switches, you will need Simuland version 4 software. To upload the program to the PLC, you must have downloaded the current version of Metal IEC 61131-3 IDE. The manual and program can be found with the product IPLOG-GAMA. The manual describes the individual steps for successful system integration. The goal of the integration was to connect the Avigilon Unity video platform with the Galaxy, Honeywell, alarm system so that critical events from the camera system activate outputs, relays, in the alarm panel. Transmitted events, loss of camera stream, loss of communication with the camera, manipulation with the camera, tamper, cover, etc., loss of communication with the server. When an event occurs, it is transmitted to the alarm system via a relay. Solution principal event reception. IPLOG on LAN listens to events sent from Avigilon Unity video via s.r.o protocol. Decoding and filtering. Incoming messages are decoded and filtered according to preset rules. Relay activation. After detecting a relevant event, the relevant relay connected to the alarm system input is switched on for 10 seconds. IPLOG is able to receive all events listed in the table and further work with this information, for example, switching local or remote relays, saving information to a file, to a MySQL database, etc. Now we get to setting up the Avigilon Unit Center. Open the site settings and set up external notifications. Switch to the Central Station Monitoring tab and enable the Enable Central Station Monitoring option. In the Central Monitoring System, select the SIA over IP option. Enter any account number, site receiver number, and set the IPLOG IP address as the primary server. Enter the port 55200. This port must be maintained or you will have to change it in the IPLOG program. Select TCP as the protocol. Note, IPLOG supports both TCP and UDP protocols, but the program is designed for TCP connections. When the TCP protocol is used, the Send Test Report button does not work. Save and close the settings. Now open the Rules item. Create a new rule by clicking the Add button. In the Device Events item, check the options Connection Removed, Connection Failed, Device Failed, Tamper Detected. Click the Next button to continue. In the following window, enable the Send Notifications to Central Monitoring Station option and continue by clicking the Next button. In the following device event, nothing needs to be set and continue by clicking Next. Enter any rule name, set the rule to Always, and enable the rule. Click the button Finish. Now the Avigilon setup is ready for sending events to IPLOG. The last part is to upload the program to the PLC. We will start by importing the project. The program version must be the latest version available on the website. The program has already integrated all the necessary libraries for Avigilon. After starting the program, click on File Import. From the General menu, select the option Existing Projects into Workspace. Switch to the Select Archive File option and browse to your disk for the zip file containing the project. Click the Finish button to add the project to the list of projects in the program. Open program.fbd from the tree structure and edit the input variable IP_ADDR in the program, where you enter a valid IP address for the Avigilon server. Now right-click on the main project name and select Run as JAB application. Enter the IP address of the PLC and in the times to run field enter 0, infinite loop, and click on Run. Now exit the program and restart IPLOG. After restarting IPLOG, the binary file will be automatically started. The running program is signaled by the flashing of the green LED number 3 with an interval of 500 milliseconds. Thank you for watching the webinar, and if you have any difficulties with the configuration, please contact our technical support.